In this video, we will discuss about Doon nettle tea, which is originally from Uttarakhand Garhwal, and why it is better than normal green tea. Doon nettle tea is produced in the agroclimatic zone of Garhwal, Uttarakhand, and it's rich in various minerals, nutrients, and vitamins. The leaves are dried in natural sunlight and then processed to form Doon nettle green tea, which is quite ये नेटल लीव्स हैं जो कि कैरेक्टराइज होते हैं स्मॉल स्पाइंस ऑन इट्स सरफेस एज यू कैन सी. बी केयरफुल नॉट टू टच इट. ये जो स्पाइंस हैं अगर ये स्किन पे लग जाएं तो एक इरिटेशन और स्टिंगिंग रिएक्शन और इचिंग प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. सो बी वेयर नॉट टू टच इट. सो दिस इज़ द नेटल टी विच आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. इट इज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड फ्रॉम गढ़वाल उत्तराखंड एंड इट इज़ मच बेटर देन ग्रीन टी. क्योंकि ग्रीन टी का जब आप न्यूट्रिशनल फैक्ट्स कंपेयर करोगे विद नेटल लीफ टी तो आप देखेंगे कि इसमें मच मोर अमाउंट ऑफ वाइटामिन्स, एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स एंड मिनरल्स हैं एज कम्पेयर टू नॉर्मल ग्रीन टी which do not have all the vitamins and minerals which are found in these leaves. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, iron, vitamin K5, riboflavin, phosphorus, magnesium, dietary fiber. So because of all these nutritional figures and facts, you can see that it is quite helpful in not only preventing diabetes but also in various other ailments such as kidney dysfunction. It has been found to be very helpful in kidney dysfunction patients and is also recommended by doctors for kidney patients. Another important benefit इसका है कि ये इन्फ्लेमेशन, आर्थराइटिस जैसे होता है इन्फ्लेमेशन इन जॉइंट्स, वो प्रिवेंट करता है. इसका कैल्शियम कंटेंट इज़ 3 times दैट ऑफ मिल्क एंड ऑरेंज से 3 times ज़्यादा इसका विटामिन सी कंटेंट है. तो इसलिए इट इज़ इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर टी ऑल्सो. जो हमारी गढ़वाल की नेटल लीव्स हैं ये एग्रोक्लाइमेटिक जोन में पाई जाती हैं, तो इसलिए इनमें receive abundance of sunlight and the environment is apt for making the conditions ideal for containing all the trace elements that are required for your growth because it is such. इसे बनाने के लिए आप इसको एक इलेक्ट्रिक केटल में लीव्स को डायरेक्टली पानी में बॉईल करके इसका इन्फ्यूजन ओवरनाइट भी अगर आप रखेंगे तो नेक्स्ट डे ज़्यादा concentrated infusion you will get. And that tea which you have to boil, you can put little bit of lemon and honey to make it taste better, just like green tea. But when you will compare the nutritional facts, they are much increased and much more beneficial as compared to normal green tea. So consumption of nettle green tea every day in the morning is quite beneficial for your overall health because it will prevent anemia, and the patients who are suffering from anemia, they will directly benefit from nettle green tea. Also, if you have any kind of inflammation in your body or joints, then also it will elevate that also. And if the patient has kidney dysfunction, it will cleanse your kidneys. And also it is very much beneficial for your skin because it promotes hair growth. And it is also known as pregnancy tea because it is very beneficial for pregnant women because it contains iron and it also contains folate. The pregnancy women in the first trimester are given these 2 tablets. So instead of taking tablets, you can directly consume nettle tea. It will help in building your hemoglobin, and it has been found to be very much beneficial in lactating women also because it promotes milk production. You can see the various benefits of nettle tea on the back of this packet, where it is written that it stimulates the lymph system to boost immunity. It helps relieve arthritis, helps support the adrenals, it helps with diabetes, menstrual symptoms, strengthens the fetus in pregnant women, promotes milk production in lactating women, helps in menstrual cramps and bloating, helps break down kidney stones, helps with respiratory tract diseases, supports the kidney, eliminates allergic rhinitis, cures common cold, helps with osteoarthritis, and various other benefits.